Okay, doing a spark plug test. The battery is at 13 volts. Here we go. And I have one turn on this carburetor air fuel mixture screw. Full on choke. Really wants to start. Okay, I made another turn on the air fuel mixture screw. So that's 2 turns out from the top. And there we go. No ignition. Just full on choke. Let's do it. Yeah. Man. It's grumbling like it's gonna start. Okay, 3 turns of the air fuel mixture screw. I'm leaving the power supply connected. And the choke is full. So hopefully you can hear this time.